Welcome to Big Red Leads. I'm Big Red, getting you and your business back to the black. I just want to know, since when did this happen? When did telling the truth become a disease? Put it like this: the world is going to lie to you, especially the Western world, especially in this country. The world is going to lie to you. I've traveled and I've been so many different places where people are genuine, they love you, they appreciate you being there. They smile when they see you. They greet you. They welcome you with open arms. With everything going on in the world today, you have to stay 6 feet away. Who told you that? Who told you that? And why do you believe it? That's one thing. Since when has human contact become illegal? I have so many friends who have so much anxiety and worry and concerns about their day-to-day interactions because they're people. They are huggers. They love being around people, and that has been stripped away from them. A few of them anyway. Some of them they're still that way, but people are battling so many things, and yet when they're telling and speaking the truth, they are called crazy. They are demeaned in public. They are ridiculed, and at the same time, everything that they say comes back around full circle. Because why? The truth does not need an excuse. The truth does not need an explanation. Please understand that. If you are struggling to pay your bills and you are not willing to make a change, transform some things, how about stop some things? Materialism is not for you. But you know what it is? Telling the truth, being truthful to yourself. Quit lying and trying to keep up with the Joneses because you think it's cool and you post all this positive nonsense on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or YouTube, whatever social media platform that you're using, TikTok, whatever it is. Everything isn't positive all the time. You don't have balance if everything is positive. That's in business as well as in your life. If you are dealing with some issues when it comes to your business, if you have a lot of negative months where profit is not where it needs to be, understand what that is. It means you need to become a little bit more creative or knuckle down and discipline yourself. It's one of the two. If you're having issues and problems in your relationships, it's the same. If you don't know yourself, how can someone else know you? Tell the truth. You sleep better at night. You rest better. Your shoulders relax. Since when is telling the truth? Here's the deep piece. And I put it on both genders. And I don't care there's 987 genders. I don't care. I really don't. I can hear and see the emails and the phone calls and the text messages already. Charles, you're just being insensitive. No. The truth is the truth. The truth of the matter is, we have become so divided, so separated, that they have come up with all these ideologies. I'm not this, I'm not that. Life as in computer programming is pretty simple. It's binary. 010101101010. It's pretty simple. If you are lying to yourself, you are shortchanging yourself and those who are around you. How can someone get to know you if you are lying to yourself? How can you get to know someone if you haven't been your full self in front of them? And what all this does is reflects back on you. If you are lying in your life, if you are lying in your business, if you are lying at your job, if you are lying to your family, your friends, you have not engaged in loving yourself enough to tell the damn truth. The truth will set you free. And the jacked up part, the messed up part about it is, in today's society, not only will the truth set you free, but the truth will get you penalized. And most people are scared of the consequences that come with telling the truth. Or being honest with themselves. It all starts with you. I cannot emphasize this enough. It starts and ends with you. You are the alpha and the omega of your life. Are you going to start today? Now, as a young man, I used to lie for no reason. I had money. I was popular. Great friends. My friends knew me. They knew the truth. They could see the truth. They knew where I was. They knew where I was at. They knew what I was doing. But when it came to actually engaging outside of my circle, I would lie for no reason. I had no reason to be lying. It took a small, no, I wouldn't say small because it's real. I'm not one of those people who goes around just saying epiphany, but I had an epiphany. And it got me nowhere by lying. When I finally came to the truth of the matter and understood who I am on the deepest level of myself, I realized that, guess what? I don't need to do this anymore. I cannot do this anymore. It's stressing me out. It's putting an extra burden on my health. And mind you, I'm in pretty decent shape. Lying is a killer. Enabling a lie is a killer. Are you going to continue to lie to yourself and lie to the world? Be who you are. Be the authentic person that you were meant to be. If you tell the truth within yourself, then you can speak the truth to others. And people will listen. And people will follow. People will recognize and acknowledge who you are. The God within you. And recognize and understand that it's okay that I can do the same. Yes, people have insecurities. Yes, people have misconceptions on who you are. And yes, people will judge you. That just comes with the territory. But guess what? If you're standing in your truth, no one can shake you and bother you from it. Like, share, definitely subscribe to the channel. We have to unite as family. But you have to unite with yourself. With yourself. Be honest with yourself. Start small. There's a family member or a relative or a girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, whoever is around you on a regular basis. If you have been lying to them about anything, and understand omitting shit is a lie as well. Not telling. Speak up. Here's the deep piece. A lot of people get on social media to speak up, use their platform to speak and talk, and yet still are not telling the truth. I'm not trying to see your car. I'm not trying to see your house. I'm not trying to see the plane, the private jet that you quote unquote own. I could give two shits about that. What I am trying to see are you being an authentic, genuine, honest, truthful person with yourself. I can listen to you. I respect that. Respect yourself enough to simply say, I've had enough. I'm praying for you. The only time we send prayers is when a tragedy happens. No, I'm praying for you. And understand, I want you to get all that you truly deserve. But that means you have to put in the work. And putting in the work does not mean necessarily doing your job, working your career, working in your business. Sometimes it means doing the work also means you taking care of home, which is you taking care of your temple, taking care of your mind, sharpening these tools so that you can go out and build and create and become the strongest version of you that the world cannot deny, your friends and family cannot deny. Love you all. Have a great day. Be the authentic you that God intended. Be rich. I gotta go. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Love you all, my friends. Love you, family. All my Red Warriors out there, you know what it is. You know what this is. We can no longer stay divided. But you can't have divisions and fights within yourself. At some point you have to recognize that the only demons that you're fighting are in your own mind. Be confident in your steps. Be full with your intentions. Love thy neighbor. Love thy brother, thy mother, thy sister, thy father. Talk soon, my friends. Have a great day.